It's just the funniest thing. Watch.
What are you feeding him?
It's a hand feeding formula for baby birds. You just mix it with warm water. That's all they need.
Unbelievable.
This one's bigger. This one's really, like, really chicky looking.
Hey, it's
Get
so
still,
cool.
you're getting your picture made. Ted loves them.
It's so cool.
Look at you.
What kind of birds are they?
They're lovebirds. They're going to be green with peach color faces, believe it or not.
Oh.
Yeah, those peach face lovebirds.
It's so cool.
Isn't that funny? They kind of look like little tarantulas. Look at you. Look at their wings. Isn't that funny?